I'm Lion Barbecues, and I'm here in the vast wilderness of Spokane, Washington, on High Drive Hill. Yeah, I spent 8 years of my life working as a security guard at the mall, so I know a lot about safety. I beat up bad guys and crooks left and right every day. Lion Barbecues here. I'm just going to walk you through some of the basic things that you need in the wilderness. Most essential, blue yarn. Everything you need from tying and, tying. Then, we also have this Pokemon Special Edition, used for hypnosis against animals. And finally, most important, deck of cards. You can play with them or throw them and stuff, so it's pretty awesome. And Barbecues here. Been walking for about 9 hours and we're hundreds of miles away from any civilization anywhere. We've been experienced encounters with a lot of vast animals, so we've got actually a wild wildebeest up here, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use your Pokemon game to effectively eliminate it. Just let me it's right there. That's all you do. Lion Barbecues here. Been hanging on a game trail for about a couple hours, hoping it leads to some water.
No! Ow.
That animal was vicious. Let's go see what it was. Oh no! It was a wild stitch. It must have been the last of its kind. This won't look good to the media or the press. We're going to need to find a way to look like an accident. Frame it on someone else.
I say we make it look like it hung itself from the distress of living in the wild and having no mate.
That's a fantastic idea! Let's get to it! Hey kids, this is how you properly use your yarn in the wild. This is how you frame an animal for hanging himself in distress. Goodbye, little Stitchy. There. They won't notice the bullet holes. Just blood loss is all. Barbecues. It's 3 a.m. Been hearing sounds and animals all night. You get no sleep out here. It's... What is that? Hugging for hours. After countless hours of surviving in the wilderness, I, Lion Barbecues, find myself once again at home in civilization.